It's ready to go in. Sitting pretty nice along there. I'm just gonna clamp that there together with a G-clamp just so I know it is fitting, so I don't start to take more off it, and it's ready to run the angle grinder just around here, take the paint off the back. I think I'm gonna just give that another coat of paint in around here with the zinc primer just to make sure it stays protected in there. Now the other's a wee bit rougher, it should be okay to take a wee bit of this here zinc primer. This here pretty much I use for everything, anything bare metal. Seems to do quite a good job of keeping the rust off it, especially in here behind where it's not going to be seen again. If it was to get any moisture in there again. I've got in here started to try and get that paint bare for that patch there, and I'm pretty much ready to try and find a way to hold it in place and weld it. So I'm about to try and work that one out. Hopefully it all goes well.
More of a recovery mission. We need to get this on the trailer and
Right,
get back
we'll
to the
try and get the welder set up now for this.
We haven't paid for it. We don't have an immediate plan for this, but it's a really cool truck.
We've got some junkyard digs on the TV, and I've just got one tack on to that patch, so I'm just going to try and start welding it around it. It's far from the tidiest patch. It's very not great at all, but it'll be grand for where it is. Next will be like just putting a few more on and try and tap it into a wee bit more a better shape. I'm just realising that my arm may have been covering the camera for that, but it should have been okay, I hope. That is the most of it welded around now, and I'm just going to do what I can from the outside, like from this side of it, and after I get that done, that'll be it, and then I can start into doing this bit here. So we've got this wee small patch here, and it is going in that hole there, so I just need to try and get that lined up so it can go in there. I'm gonna have to align that on the top, because that'll keep it in line with the top then. That should be grand. That seems pretty good. just found another hole there, and I've got my drill with the cone drill on it, and I'm gonna just go and just drive it through, and then that'll give me a good idea of what the metal is like if I can get there. Now that sort of gives you a good idea of what is good metal. Like once that there starts to be somewhat hard to drill, then you know the metal is actually sort of firm, and that there, even that there second size on it felt pretty good, so I'll just leave it at that. So for this here, I'm gonna get a penny and hold it beneath it, and then try and just build up a weld on that, because it's not really a big enough. It's not a big enough hole to really justify making a new patch for it. So we'll just build it up on a penny. For this here, I'm going to use a penny and hold the penny up underneath, and then it means it'll give me something just to weld around and fill that there patch up, because I can't really justify using, like making a whole patch for that there, because this here should give me enough to do that. Penny's just quite good because I just need to take the penny off. Which is easier said than done. No, it shouldn't have. For that there, I need to maybe bore it out again, I think. And before, I didn't think I was gonna need a patch for that, but no, I definitely think I do. So I'm gonna try and get that sorted now, get one of them just sort of drawn out and made. That's all the welds in here, or all the holes in here welded up, and now it is time that I can try and get as much of that ground off as I can, so I can start putting in that bigger patch.